In today's troubleshoot is how to fix if your network adapter is not working on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in troubleshoot. Best result, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select additional troubleshooters, and then underneath find and fix other problems, go down and select network adapter, and then run the troubleshooter, and then give us a moment. And then hopefully this should be able to identify and resolve the problem automatically. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.